Hello, my super kid. I'm super excited to welcome you to another sensorial lesson. I trust you are ready to learn today. In today's class, you will be learning about another interesting montessori material. Today, you'll be learning about the Knobbless cylinder. This is another montessori sensorial material. Lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the Knobbless cylinder. Also, you should be able to mention the purposes of using the Knobbless cylinders. And lastly, you should be able to present the Knobbless cylinders. That is, you should be able to work with each of the Knobbless cylinders. The Knobbless cylinder is a sensorial montessori material that consists of 4 boxes of 10 colored cylinders. 4 different boxes, each having 10 colored cylinders. Each of the balls has a lid that matches the color of the Knobbless cylinders in the box. Looking at the picture closely, you will observe that the lid and the cylinders are all same color. The cylinders are introduced in the following order. That is, the red cylinder is presented before the yellow, then the green, lastly the blue. This is how the cylinders are presented. Each set of cylinder also varies in different ways. All the 10 cylinders in each of the boxes are not the same in height and width. The red cylinders decreases with diameters while the height remains the same. Diameter is a distance between 2 points, especially on a circle. The yellow cylinder decreases in both diameters and heights, while the blue cylinder decreases in height and the diameters are the same. The green cylinder decreases in diameter and increases in height. Presentation. First, carry the box to the mat, starting with the red Knobbless cylinder. Using your thumb and 2 primary fingers, you carefully place each knob on the mat randomly. You place them randomly on the mat. Then you start arranging each of the Knobbless cylinder. After bringing all of them out, you begin to arrange them, starting from the thickest, that is the biggest, the thickest knob. You arrange them according to size and you build a tower with them. This exercise has many purposes. 1. It develops a child hand and eye coordination. It refines a child's visual discrimination. It also prepares a child for mathematics activities such as counting and grading. It also helps a child to discriminate sizes. It prepares a child also for language, that is comparison, as a child can be able to distinguish between big and small, thin and thinnest. This is how the Knobbless cylinder is arranged from the thickest to the thinnest. Working with the Knobbless cylinders also helps a child to discriminate between sizes. The child will be able to know the difference in sizes. Also, it refines a child's perception of dimensions. These are some of the purposes of working with the Knobbless cylinders. The Knobbless cylinder is often presented to a child in the early primary stages. After this activity has been completed, carefully place all the cylinders in the box. The interesting part of this exercise is that the control of error is visible. When I mean the control of error, it means that when the tower is not built correctly, it can be seen. You can notice it at a glance that you are not doing the right thing. That is the control of error. Working with the Knobbless cylinder, the control of error is very visible. You can look at the cylinders, you can notice that they are wrongly placed. That is, at a glance, you see that it is not properly built. This shows that the control of error is visible, and most times all the cylinders might topple over. Everything might fall apart because it has not been placed correctly. Just watch and see what happens when the cylinders are wrongly built. It is wrongly built and everything has toppled over. We have come to the end of today's class, kid, and I know you enjoyed every bit of the class. Ensure to do your quizzes and assignment. See you in the next class. Bye.